Hi friends, this is your friend Hamid from itsmadeeasy.com. Hope you're doing great. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to draw this component in SolidWorks in just 3 steps. Come, let's start our tutorial now. Hey guys, here we have our SolidWorks and the 2D diagram of the 3D part model that we are going to draw now. And we are going to complete this part model in just 3 steps, in which the first step will be the extrusion of the side view that we have here. I mean the front view that we have here to a length of 60 mm. And the second step will be the cut extrude of this rectangular part from either from this side to here or either side. And the third part will be the cut extrusion of the hemispherical part and the spherical, I mean the hemicircular part and the circle cut that we have inside of this. Okay, let's start our SolidWorks with the new part model. And since it's in the front plane, I'm taking the front plane as normal, and I'm taking this point as origin now, and I'm starting from here. Here we have a vertical length of 50 mm, and towards right they have made as 13, and from here to here, this part they haven't given directly, but from this part to here they have given 20. Since the total height is 50, which is 50, and from here to here is 25, so 25 plus 20 minus 50, which is minus 5. So this length is supposed to be positive 5. So from here to here it's 25, and from here to here it's 13, and from this part to here they have given a 60. So obviously this length should be also 13. So 60 minus 30 minus 13, which is 34. So I'm going towards horizontal 34, and again towards up 25 and 13, and here the length they have given us 10, which is like 50 minus 10, then towards downward 40, and the total length they have given us 130. So 130 minus this length 60, which is 70. I'm going towards right 70 mm. I'm closing the contour now, and here they have given the fillet radius of 10 mm. I'm just going to draw that now. Yeah, 10 mm, sorry, radius of 10 mm. So here we have made a radius fillet of 10 mm, and now the only work that we have balanced to complete this part is just to give extrude of 60 mm. I'm just making as mid plane since they are symmetric about the front plane now. And the second part that what we are going to do is the cut extrude of this circular part, I mean this rectangular part. Taking here, the length of this part is 15, then obviously this should be also 15. So 60 minus 15 minus 15, the length of this part, obviously then it's supposed to be 30. So now what I'm going to do is, starting from this center part, I'm going towards right 30, I mean 30 divided by 215. Then from here to here we know that it's 20, then towards left 30, and completing this part now. I've completed the geometry of the closed contour, then extrude cut. Until here we have made extrude cut. The total length is 60. Yeah, we are done with the second part now. And the third part, the last part that we have remaining, is to cut extrude this circle and the hemisphere that we have here. So what am I going to do is taking this plane as normal, and they have given the outer diameter, the diameter of the outer circle as radius 30. So from this center point I'm going towards inside 30, and I'm going to draw the circle of 30 mm radius, and the inner circle they have given the diameter as 22. We are done, and just we have the cut extrude of the half circle we have here. We need to make a close contour on the other side, on the outer side. I'm just making a normal, like a random closed contour, and I'm just deleting this half of the semicircle that we have here, and also these are the unwanted parts that we have. And now we have these two close contour with which I'm going to extrude cut now. Yeah, it's automatically selected the two close contours that we have made just now. And yes, there we are done with this 3D part model in just 3 steps. Hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to give like our video. Please do share your valuable suggestion in the comment section, and please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get updated with the creative and innovative updates in coming future. Thanks to you all.